Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we are working with the Shein. I have a Shein unboxing video I want to do with you guys today. I've had these packages for a minute. I'm not exactly sure what they are, but I think it has something to do with like house, home decor, accessories, like stuff for the house. About 10 packages or something that I'm gonna open for you guys. Yes, I'm gonna share them with you. But before we get into that, Happy New Year to everybody. Hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas, Thanksgiving, all of that. Maybe you got some bomb plans for New Year's Eve, and make sure you guys be safe, all that good stuff. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right over here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this unboxing video. So, if you're wondering why I'm standing up, I just got done filming a sit down video and I just really don't feel like sitting down. I just want to stand up. So yes, that's what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and open up the first package. Again, all these packages are damn near a surprise because I'm not sure exactly the things that I picked out. So let's just get on to it, okay? Okay, so the first thing is a portable juicer. This box done been through it, y'all. So cute. It comes with 2 cups, a lid, and then the base. And it also comes with a little charger piece as well. So this will be cute. Hopefully it works well. Very exciting. Oh shoot. Okay, why all the packages are coming out like this? I don't know. But anyway, that's not what matters. What matters is what's inside the box, okay? So I got some LED light. Yeah, it's two strips of them, and it has the charger and all that good stuff on there. I'm gonna put them somewhere, maybe behind my TV. Maybe it's time to put them behind my TV or something. Good idea. Okay. So the next thing I got is a multi-functioning cleaning brush. Yes, I know you've been seeing these. I got this specifically for like the tub and like those hard to reach places. Useful for cleaning the house. I need one of these because bending over when you're cleaning it's tough on an old one for me, for sure. Oh, for you, like, get up that. I got one of the like microwave covers to like cover your food in the microwave. Definitely need one of these because the kids, listen, it be pop blocking and dropping with all them cup of noodles in there, okay? The cup of noodles and the leftovers. This is going to save me. So, but I really wanted to get one of these to help me with cleaning and keeping that microwave clean, okay? Okay, so Lord, I was looking at this like I don't know what I did. But no, this is a toothpaste dispenser. You like push it back like this and the toothpaste comes out. I'm not sure what this thing is for. Is this to hold your toothpaste maybe? Oh, this is like to hold your toothbrushes. And then you can cover them. They like kind of just like dangle on these hooks. You put your toothpaste in here and then it should dispense with the press of the lather. Super cute. And then you got some like little sticky things to stick it like on the wall. And that should be fun for the kids. That should be real fun. Anyway, toothpaste dispenser. I just got a whole bunch of just random goodies. I hope I use them all. So the next thing I got is this cute little like glass tray. I think it's a ceramic clay tray to put my jewelry on because I have a lot of jewelry now. I need something like cute to put it on, so I thought that this would be so cute. I love the aesthetic. It looks like a little cloud. But even if I put it like right here, like somewhere on my cabinet or over on my dresser, so super cute. But yes, all my little gold jewelry, like my rings and my earrings and stuff, that's gonna look so freaking cute on here. All right, so the next thing is a water flosser. Honestly, I want to start using this today, and I've been seeing that people have been they've been putting mouthwash in there instead of water, and I guess supposed to get your mouth extra clean and fresh. So let's see, what color did I get? So I got the it's like a pearly white. Love that. And it comes with 4 different attachments. This one is for the tongue. I guess you can scrub your teeth with this one. And then this is, you know, just a concentrated nozzle, and then this one is even like more concentrated. So very excited about the water flosser. I know I'm very late. And then of course your charger cord. Yeah, it don't come with a box though, but I'm sure you got a box sitting around somewhere. Yes, this is, I'm very excited about this. I think I might try this tonight. For real. What is you? What is you? Uh-oh, not the styrofoam. How cute! How cute! This is so cute. Just a little decor. Just a little decor. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love this. Let me zoom in on the color so you guys can see the color. Oh my gosh, I thought this was so cute. I'm definitely putting this on my dresser. Love. Y'all, I need to do my nails. Look at my nails. This one is literally falling off too. It's bad. Invisible clip-in hair. Oh my gosh, I got some clip-ins. Super random clip-ins. Maybe I was thinking about doing a ponytail or something. But ooh. Okay, these definitely feel good. Look at the ends on these babies too. This looks good. I guess I got a batch of hair. This will be cute though. It's just one little bundle. Maybe it could give like just a little natural tease, you know, just a little natural tease. So cute. I love this chocolate color though. This color is beautiful. This color is beautiful. They might have just threw that in for me because, oh God. Oh God, I got a few more pieces, you guys. Just a few more. Next, an extra large continuous spraying spray bottle. Yes. The extra large, okay? I'm gonna give my kids the other one, and then I'm gonna just keep this one for me, because I be needing this, especially with the curly hair. You always need a spray bottle, and you know they be breaking too all the time, so just always having one of these on deck. Yeah. Little vase. This gorgeous vase. Look how pretty this is. Just cute for like a few little flowers, something light. This is so cute. I love this. Oh yes. That is reminding me, yes, of a shoe rack. Yes, I picked up a shoe rack. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but I needed something. All my shoes are kind of like laying on the ground around the room right now. Yeah, so this is the shoe rack, you guys. That is the last thing. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure you guys check the description box. I will have all the links to everything that I showed you guys in there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, y'all, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.